Welcome. Today, we're going to explore how to view all shared photos in a Telegram channel using your PC. If you want to find pictures, graphics, or any visual content shared within your favorite channels, you're in the right spot. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. If you're not logged in yet, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll see your chat list and channels displayed on the left side of the screen. Next, it's time to find the channel you want to explore. You can scroll through your list of channels or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the one you're interested in. Once you've found it, click on the channel to open it. Now that you're inside the channel, look at the top of the screen for the channel's name. Clicking on the name will open the contact info page, where you'll find various details about the channel, such as its description and member count. In the contact info section, you'll see several options. Look for the one labeled Photos. Clicking on this will take you to a dedicated area that displays all the photos shared in the channel. This feature is incredibly handy for quickly accessing visual content without having to scroll through endless messages. As you browse through the Photos section, you'll see thumbnails of each image, making it easy to identify what you want to view. If you're searching for a specific photo, take a moment to look through the collection and find the one that catches your eye. When you find a photo you'd like to view, simply click on it. The image will open in a larger format, allowing you to appreciate all the details. You can also download or share the photo directly from this view, adding to the convenience of accessing your favorite content. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to view all shared photos in a Telegram channel using your PC. This straightforward process makes it easier to keep track of all the visual content shared within your channels. Thank you for watching.